Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, I'll show you how to replace the dispenser drawer cover in a Whirlpool washer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new dispenser drawer cover. The dispenser drawer cover is located at the top of the dispenser drawer. It covers the small compartments and assists in dispensing the contents. The main reason why the dispenser drawer cover would need to be replaced is if it's cracked or is simply missing. I'm going to pull out the dispenser drawer. Then I'm going to push down the lock and take it out completely. Let's place the dispenser drawer on the top of the washer, and then I'm going to leave the top, the cover. Pull it up. This is the old dispenser drawer cover next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So I'm going to bring in a new dispenser drawer cover, place it on the top, and push it in. Now we can install it back. Alright, I'm going to bring in the dispenser drawer and slide it in. Plug the washer in and make sure it runs good. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.